Hello guys! Welcome once again to Tess Ranya's Cooking. For today, we're going to make pistachio spread. This pistachio spread can be used also as our toppings if you want to bake a cake, and if you want to make an ice cream, you can use them as your flavor for your ice cream, and you can also use them in topping your pastry. So be with me guys while we make our pistachio spread. Here are our ingredients: pistachio nuts, powdered milk, melted butter, melted white chocolate, granulated sugar, or if you have powdered sugar, it can be. So that's all guys, our ingredients for our pistachio spread. First, let us remove the shell of our pistachio nuts. It will entail a little more time because our pistachio nuts is weighted 1 kilo. So after taking out the shell of our nuts, here it is guys. So in a boiling water, let's pour our pistachio nuts. Let this pistachio nuts stay in the boiling water for a minute. So let's cover for a while. After a minute, let's put off our heat. Then let us drain our pistachio nuts. Let them cool for a few minutes. Then, let's remove the skin of our pistachio nuts. It is easier to remove now the skin of our pistachio nut since our pistachio softens after boiling it for a few minutes. So it's easier for us to remove the skin of our nut. Let us now put our pistachio nuts into a food processor. After a few minutes, our nuts are now refined. They are now refined, and we are now ready to put our other ingredients like our powdered milk, our melted butter, our melted white chocolate, and our white sugar. So let's put on our blender machine. I just add in a little bit of food color for an enticing color appearance. And after blending it for around 7 minutes, that's it, our pistachio spread. So look at the nice texture, guys. So we have now our pistachio spread, which can be also used as toppings if you want to make an ice cream, or put it as an icing on your cake, or an ingredients for your chocolate Dubai. So that's it, guys. Look at our delicious pistachio fillings or spread. So let's try our pistachio spread. Let's give it a mix for a few minutes. So look at the nice color and the appearance. So we are once again, Katessans, we are here again to try our delicious pistachio spread. So as I've said, we'll have to try it first on our bread. So ayan. So looks pa lang so delicious. I have here my kanapo dough, because I'm planning to do again my chocolate Dubai. So let's try our pistachio spread. So guys, so delicious, so nutty. What a nutty taste. So I really love the pistachio nuts. The best nuts ever. So, sobrang sarap. It's so delicious. Hindi kayo magsasawa. Ulit-ulitin nyo ang paggawa ng pistachio. Medyo expensive lang siya, pero napakasarap, guys. So, in a while, gagawa ulit ako ng aking requested na Dubai chocolate. So, I have now my homemade pistachio fillings for my Dubai chocolate. Again, best for sandwich spread. As a topping, you can also use this as a topping for your cake, for pastry, and a delicious flavor if you want to make a homemade ice cream for your family. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. I hope you enjoy watching my pistachio spread. Thanks. See you, and God bless always.